Hello, I'm Mizami. Do you know that flash can make a world of difference to your portrait photography? Let me show you how. Light exposes the shot. Shadows add drama to tell a story. Do you want to add some multi-dimensionality to your portraits? Try bouncing the light. For softer lighting, aim the flash at a large white surface. It's really easy with Sony's f60RM's unique quick shift bounce function. Want to give your portraits more flair? Try playing with silhouettes such as a window's blinds or a piece of lace. This will cast a range of shadow patterns on the subject. Very cool and very easy to accomplish. Sony's flashes come with two colored gels that add mood to your portraits instantly. Let me show you how. Want to know more? Stay tuned for the next video on why I use flash for better portraits.